My name is Professor James Machoki, the Principal, College of Health Sciences, and I want to take this very, very special occasion to congratulate and welcome all of you, class of 2021 academic year, to this very prestigious university, to this very prestigious College of Health Sciences. The College of Health Sciences is located at the Kenyatta National Hospital grounds. First year's class of 2021 academic year. Just also to remind you that the college into which you have been invited in your various schools and the institutes, it's really a center of excellence in health sciences in East and Central Africa, and therefore you being the best, you are also being admitted into the best College of Health Sciences in East and Central Africa, schools of medicine training the same professionals like yourselves, even other schools of pharmacy and nursing sciences. But feel proud and take pride that you are in the best that there is, and since you are the best, the faculty whom you'll be meeting, I want to confirm to you as your principal that they are also the best, and we pride in that, and we will do that which it takes to ensure that we make the best out of yourself, and we ensure that you achieve that which you have been dreaming to achieve as you graduate in a maximum of 5 years or so, 5 to 6 years or so. And so therefore, as you start your academic, your professional journey, there may be challenges, but there are many opportunities also. Faced with the challenges, or where you feel you may not be getting that which you would want to get, my undertaking this moment, this first day of my address to yourself as your principal, is to know that the principal's office, the deputy principal's office, the dean's offices, and the directors, and every other administrator in this college, the doors are open at all times. So feel free to relate and to communicate that which you must communicate, and particularly that which makes you feel you are not achieving that which you expected from us. All of you dream to be doctors, nurses, dentists, pharmacists, public health experts at some point, researchers, and so on and so forth. And so, as parents and as a university which leans and others follow, as a college which leans and others follow, I take pride that I'm part of such a university myself, but fully appreciating therefore the council, who is our employer, and the vice chancellor, who has so ably led us this far, particularly during this COVID-19 pandemic. I know you are worried how you'll be taught, how you'll navigate during this time. You might be worried that you might contract COVID-19 infection, and that I know is a genuine worry. But also, as a college and as a university, we have put in mechanisms to ensure that we support you and put in strategies to ensure that you don't get any infection of this virus while we are also teaching you. So remember also that much as we will do as much as we can as a college, as a university, you also have a personal responsibility to follow the Ministry of Health guidelines. Our first year's class of 2020-2021 once again is to congratulate you for having made it to the University of Nairobi
Your time here at the College of Health Sciences, I would like to give you 1 or 2 tips so that your journey is a good journey and you enjoy your stay in the College of Health Sciences. One of the things is that the learning style at the College of College of Health Sciences is a little different because you're supposed to be an interactive learner. To be an interactive learner, you need to read widely. If you read widely, you'll be an interactive learner and you will participate and you will learn a lot while you're at the college. This college has a lot of expertise. All the specialties are in this college, and you have very senior professors, senior researchers in this professor, and you can utilize all of them by interacting with them. As you go through the college, form study groups to help you because the demands are high. So form study groups that will assist you. You will interact with very many new people. So make friendships. As you form these study groups, make friendships. These friendships will last you a lifetime. When you look back, you will see that the friends you have made now are the friends you have kept for life. So enjoy your time here. Be happy, but work hard. You will need to work hard. There is no choice because at this time, what you're taught in the lectures is just a skeleton. So you need to read and read really widely to meet the educational standards that are expected of you. The learning at this time is a little different because a lot of it will be virtual because of the COVID pandemic. But nevertheless, you will be trained to deal even with this pandemic because this virus is here to stay with us. So we'll just learn how to live with it. So even you, as you go through the college, you'll be taught how to live with it and how to manage. We are the front line workers in this era of COVID. So you'll be taught, and at the end of it, you'll be all right. So congratulations. I welcome you to the college, and God bless you.
The grades don't matter anymore here. It's more of your own effort, and the subjects are new to everybody. There are issues that are familiar within the subjects, but they're building on those basics to start you on a completely new journey. So be ready. Don't feel inferior that you got a C, one got an A, or whatever the grade it was. Once you are here, you are all on the same pedestal. You'll be taught by your teachers in the same classes, and your opportunity to excel is there, and is the same for everybody. So critical in your survival here are social issues. Some of you are coming for the first time to Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital of this nation, and it has its own attractions and challenges. You may be absorbed in your new challenge too much to cope with your course. You may also be absorbed in the new attraction too much to enable you to concentrate. It's important to tell you that you'll be very, very free. You might choose not to go to class, even though we shall be taking roll call, and you'll be busy with your relationship. So it is important to remind you at this point that you need to have a balance. These relationships also bring issues of unwarranted or unsolicited or unplanned sexual encounters. So pregnancies, diseases are corollaries of such adventures, and we handle this year in, year out from amongst you, and this you need to bear in mind and seek help. We have counselors, and they're also going to talk to you on how to manage yourself. Don't be embarrassed. If you are coming from the comfort of your parental care, to be all alone, you need to be chaperoned. And the university has a system to do that, either in form of your lecturers who resonate with you, or other professionals within the university.
I congratulate you so much, and I welcome you to the School of Pharmacy of the University of Nairobi. Now, the orientation this year is being done online because of COVID-19, which you are all aware. So we need to have social distancing. We cannot get together in big groups as advised by the Ministry of Health. Now, pharmacy curriculum is a 5-year course. So you are joining first year and you are going to stay with us for 5 years. We'll take you through the various programs. Eventually, after 5 years, you should be able to graduate as a pharmacist, and we release you out to the market to serve the nation. Now, pharmacy curriculum is very intensive, and I would advise you to work very hard. To move from 1 year to the next, you will need to pass various courses, but you can make it because you've, like I had said earlier, you are the top cream of this country. So the first 2 years we'll spend in what we call preclinical courses based in Chiromo campus, and then from the year 2, 3, from year 3, 4, 5, you will come to Kenyatta Hospital for the professional courses and the clinical courses.
Nairobi, and specifically welcome to the School of Dental Sciences, which is based at the College of Health Sciences. And we are happy that you have been able to join us at this particular time. By saying that for the first 2 years of your academic journey, you will be based in Chiromo campus, which is much closer to the university main campus, and you will be taking all the subjects in your first year from Chiromo campus. The School of Dental Sciences has 4 departments. The Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, the Department of Pediatric and Dentistry and Orthodontics, the Department of Conservative and Prosthetic Dentistry, and the Department of Periodontology, Community and Preventive Dentistry. During your first year, however, you will be taking subjects in the Department of Human Anatomy, where you will be taught general human anatomy and you will be taught oral biology. You'll also be taking some courses in physiology and biochemistry. The Department of Periodontology, Community and Preventive Dentistry will be taking you through a course which is on the online learning platform called Behavioral Sciences. So yes, we'll be touching base with you as we offer that course. We will expect that in your second year you will have a few more courses that will be offered at the School of Dental Sciences, which we begin pretty early, training you on how to do oral disease intervention for communities, and that is why you'll start by taking community and preventive dentistry in your second year of learning, even as you take a few other courses, dental biomaterial science and dental technology, that will help you to begin to appreciate the art and practice of dentistry. Dentistry in this country has been taught since 1974, and as a school we have actually trained almost 80% of all the dentists that are practicing in Kenya, and we have also trained a lot of dentists that are working elsewhere. Anywhere in the world you will find a dentist there, and name it Australia, US, the UK and many parts of Europe. So the BDS degree is really a very valuable one, and it is going to prepare you in many ways to face challenges that you may meet in offering oral care to whichever population that you find yourself serving.
What sets nursing apart from other health professionals is the science of caring. Science of caring means that you must be very compassionate. You must understand the human being. Even if you have many patients who have one condition like malaria or fracture of the femur, they have very unique psychosocial circumstances that require that you individualize care. So we have several nursing theories and we have a philosophy of nursing science. So when you get to the school, we shall introduce you to the nursing theories and the philosophy of nursing sciences that will set you apart from other healthcare workers. When you get to medical surgical nursing unit, some of the courses that you will take is perioperative nursing, where you will be working in theater. You will take critical care nursing, where you work in the critical care unit. You can be a nephrology nurse, where you will be working in the renal unit, and many other areas of nursing that you'll get to know when you get to the School of Nursing. In obstetrics, nursing and midwifery, you will be looking after the mothers. You are expected to help the mothers at a very critical time when they are getting out the baby, what we call conducting delivery. And this is a very special area because the way you conduct the delivery will determine whether you have somebody who can get on to school and support themselves, or whether you kill that child.